Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking on how to create a folder. I know a lot of people find it very difficult, especially those who are not used to computers, to create folders. Remember, folders make your desktop look presentable. So right away, I'll be teaching you how to create a folder. There are numerous ways in creating a folder, but I want us to look at the most easiest way of creating a folder with right clicking. So with this method of creating a folder, what you need to do is navigate to the location where you want to create your folder. I want my folder to be somewhere around here, so I just have to navigate to where I want to create my folder. Now what I do next is I have to right click on that blank space. I want to right click on that blank space where I want to create my folder. And then now you will see something when I right click on the blank space where I want to create my folder. Take care with this. If you right click on an item, for example, I come and right click here, I'll not get the right menu. You see, I'm not having the right menu because I right clicked on something else. So you have to right click on an empty position. So now I right click here. When I right click here, now you see on right click, you see I have a contextual menu. On my contextual menu, I have view, sort by, refresh, I have graphics, property, graphics options, I have new, I have display, I have so many drop down menus. But what I want to do, I want to create a folder. So where do I go to? I go to new. When I click on new, I have another folder that comes, I have another menu that comes up. So now on new, you will see that you have now folder. What you have to do is forget about all this other stuff down, click on folder. I click on folder, you see now your new folder appears where you wanted your folder to be. And now what you have to do is you have to give a name, to replace the new folder. So what we do is double click, yeah, get into my folder, but I want to give it a name. So I right click, I take rename. On rename, now I'm going to say my doc, short form for my document, and that is our folder. So now we have just created our folder, and now we can bring in some videos, bring in some other folders to put in our folders by just doing a drag and drop. For example, I'll just show you a drag and drop. Let me click on this PDF document, and I drag, you see, move to my doc. Now so it shows copying. Okay, so I get into my folder, you see I get my PDF in my folder. So if you follow all these basic steps, you get to create your folder, and by folders make your desktop look presentable. Yeah, so thank you for watching.